If you got a guy that's humble and teaches you what he knows, that's a different story. You are noticing the real language trap. Now listen, you are noticing the real language trap. I'll separate three ideas: first in physical order, final in code definitions. And GFCI protection, basically, they are not referring to the same thing. It's still thinking, okay. Well, that's a lot. You're not looking at it wrong. The word final is being viewed from a supply towards the load, not from inside the branch circuit itself. Let's read that again. You are not looking at it wrong. The